Okay guys, mga ka-remote. Andito tayo sa panulukan ng Quirino Highway at Tandanzora. At right now we're having fun. That's it. We're having fun. Riding our RC with our senior fellow Danny Taluzon and Joel Pae, mga senior naglalaro ng kotse-kotse. At may basbas ng ating mga magigiting na guard, si ma'am and si ma'am. Oo nga. Let's enjoy the day. And
So the race is starting just right now.
I love black. I love black. Tada!
Hoy, wag kayong mag... Send mo yun naman.
Ayun pala nga po.
Oh, yes, Kirino! Sorry. Kirino, let's go! Wow, yes! Tolo na.
Tama na!
Wap, sandali. Oo, tinanong si Kuya. Ready?